you have no idea how many lost opportunities that you may be missing out on because you don't have any sort of reputation online. But I will guarantee you, if you are side by side and you Google travel advisors, travel agencies in your local market, and you're not showing up in the results and somebody else is, you're losing sales opportunities. You see, if there's somebody in your local area and somebody Googles a travel advisor in your local area and your competitor comes up and they've got rave reviews and you have none, another opportunity potentially lost. Decrease client trust negatively. If you have negative reviews and you aren't doing anything to address those, either through response or a process that lets people know that you acknowledge whatever the issue is and that you've put some process in place to ensure it will never happen again, it undermines people's confidence in you. Damage brand image, right? And so I'm not talking necessarily negative, but neglecting your reputation, not answering, just letting it just be out there and not doing anything about it can impact the image, right? It's hard to recover once it's tarnished.